Okay, Lamai, this video is to introduce you what are we going to do in the next 3 months. So today is May 1st, I'm recording this video. So from today onwards, there are like 100 days remaining to the exam. That means approximately 3 months and 10 days. So let's remove the 10 days. We have 3 months remaining to the exam. So in those 3 months, this is what we are going to do. Now, industrial chemistry, we have completed magnesium production, sodium hydroxide production, soap production, Haber process, Sorbet process, and Oswald's process we have completed in the revision class as well as in the rapid revision. I have given them the recordings as well as the tute. So in the month of May, we are going to complete contact process, ion extraction, titanium dioxide product extraction, and then polymers we are going to do in the month of May. Meanwhile, environmental chemistry will be touched in the month of June. So June and July we can finish the environmental section. So within one day we can do around 2 environmental chemistry topics like greenhouse and the OLD is the ozone layer depletion, then the photochemical smog, acid rain, and water quality parameters. Then we have the phase equilibrium, chemical equilibrium, KSP, and then pH, right? So this is the equilibrium section. So phase equilibrium tute, I sent it in the month of April, but we couldn't start it. We finished kinetics. So finished kinetics means today night we have one class. So with that, kinetics is over, right? So the next one, what we are going to do is the KPKC. I'm going to send you the KPKC tute in the month of May. So if you are a new student, then you will also get the phase equilibrium tute together with the KPKC tute. So in the month of May, we are going to do both of them. In the month of May, we are going to do both of them. Then in June and July, we are going to do KSP and then pH, right? The pH, one of the complex topics in the chemistry syllabus is pH, right? So that we are going to do in the month of June and July at the end. Now, organic chemistry, the biggest section of organic chemistry is completed. That is the reactions and practice of conversions. We have done it in the revision class. So what we are going to do next is these small topics: isomerism, identification, mechanism, variations, and nomenclature. So isomerism, identifications, and nomenclature are very small topics which can be done within like one class. We can do isomerism, and another topic we can do in one class. So the rest of the 2 class, like it'll take around 3 classes to complete this topics of organic chemistry. So that's not much, right? So electrochemistry seminar. Now this is not going with the revision class. Actually, revision class, we have 2 classes per week. Other than that, we are taking an extra day for the electrochemistry section. So we have completed 3 days of electrochemistry. Now we have to do another few classes. Then we have ligands also in the electrochemistry seminar. So once you pay and join for the electrochemistry seminar, you get the ligands section, you get inorganic nomenclature as well as electrochemistry, right? So it's a separate thing. Now electrochemistry, like 80% is completed. We have to do the calculations of electrochemistry. After that, electrochemistry will be over, right? So those are the details regarding the revision class. Now revision class, this is what we're going to do, right? Okay, then for the rapid revision also same procedure, same method. We are going to cover the end units like this, but in addition to that, we are taking an extra day for the rapid revision in order to complete the first 5 to 6 units, including inorganic. We have to do, right? We are taking an extra day. We are giving you an extra day in order to do the class live, right? And also we are giving you a recording each week. For example, now in the last month, what we did was we did unit 3 in the live class, and I gave you a recording for unit 4. So unit 3 and 4 will be completed by the end of April. Now it's over. So unit 3 and 4 is completed. Now the next phase what we're going to do is unit number 5, and that's energetics, and then inorganic will be done, right? Inorganic and energetics will be done in the month of May, right? So May, June, and July will be given for the rapid revision to complete those units in number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? Accordingly, we are going to complete that parallelly together with these structures, right? Sorry, with these units. So that is the details regarding the rapid revision and the revision class. Now, these recordings, will you get them? Yes, if you pay and join for the month of May, there's a small extra payment you have to do if you want to get all these recordings, right? There's a small extra payment, including the organic one I'll give you. So that recordings plus organic reactions recordings you will be able to obtain by making an extra amount. That's for the courier cost, and also the recordings, of course, I can't give them for free, right? So other students have paid and taken the last month's stuff. So this month's stuff, if you want, the previous months also, you have to make an extra payment for that, right? I'll put them in the group, right? Then the paper class. Okay, now we are starting final papers. Final papers means you're getting a full paper from the stuff which you have done in the revision class. The revision class, again, we have done industrial also, some sections. So we can give the 10th essay also, right? 8th essay, we can give organic reactions, right? And isomerism will do soon. So we can give the 4th structure essay also. So 3rd structure essay includes the physical chemistry units like kinetics, energetics, and unit number 4. Right, so we can also include phase equilibrium once we start phase equilibrium. So likewise, you are doing the final papers. So in the final papers, there are 50 MCQs, 4 structured essays, and then 6 essays. That's just like the A-level paper, right? So May 11th only we are starting the paper class. Again, like you have to pay for the month of May, but your papers will start in May 11th onwards. So this is different to the APS papers which we had before. In APS papers, what we did was we wrote the MCQ in 1 week, essay in the next week. But in final papers, you are writing the MCQ and essay both in 1 week. Both you have to write within 1 week. You have to write them both. So that's the difference of final papers. So final papers are held online. So you can join to the Zoom meeting and then write the papers online. So that's how it goes. I think that's enough. And also like 100% English medium. Our classes are fully English medium. There are no Sinhala in middle of the class. Unless it's needed, right? So there's no English in the middle of the class. And yeah, tudes are also English and the marking schemes are English. Everything is given to you. So some speciality in the final papers is that we are going to correct your papers and then we are going to add your marks to the website where you get a performance curve. I'll send these details in the group. Okay. So this is all I have to say regarding the classes in the next 3 months regarding the 2026 batch revision, rapid revision, and the paper classes. Okay.